Minimizing health risks of smoking rolling tobacco.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how you can minimize the health risks associated with smoking rolling tobacco. It's important to note that smoking any form of tobacco poses health risks, but there are some steps you can take to reduce the potential harm. So, let's dive right in.
Choose high-quality rolling tobacco.
The quality of the rolling tobacco you choose can make a difference in the potential health risks. Opt for high-quality rolling tobacco that is free from additives, preservatives, and chemicals. These additional substances can increase the harmful effects on your health. Look for tobacco brands that prioritize organic and natural ingredients.
Use a filter or tip.
Using a filter or tip can help reduce the amount of harmful substances that you inhale while smoking rolling tobacco. Filters or tips trap some of the toxins and particulate matter, preventing them from reaching your lungs. You can find pre-made filters or tips available in the market, or you can make your own using cotton or activated charcoal.
Roll your cigarettes properly.
Rolling your cigarettes properly can also play a role in minimizing health risks. Ensure the tobacco is evenly distributed throughout the cigarette, as this can promote a more consistent burn. Avoid packing the tobacco too tightly, as this can increase the temperature and result in higher levels of harmful chemicals being released.
Consider smoking alternatives.
If you're looking to reduce the health risks of smoking, you might want to consider exploring smoking alternatives. There are various products available, such as nicotine patches, gum, or electronic cigarettes, e-cigarettes. These alternatives provide nicotine without the combustion of tobacco, which can significantly reduce the exposure to harmful substances.
Practice moderation in quitting.
Perhaps the most effective way to minimize the health risks of smoking rolling tobacco is to practice moderation and ultimately quit smoking altogether. Limit the number of cigarettes you smoke in a day and gradually reduce the frequency over time. Seek support from friends, family, or healthcare professionals to develop a quit plan tailored to your needs. Quitting smoking has immense health benefits and can drastically reduce the risks associated with tobacco use. That's a wrap. We've explored some strategies to minimize the health risks of smoking rolling tobacco. Remember, smoking any form of tobacco poses risks to your health, but by choosing high-quality tobacco, using filters or tips, rolling cigarettes properly, considering smoking alternatives, and ultimately quitting, you can take proactive steps towards reducing the potential harm. Take care of your health and make informed choices. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.